Oh, wow, I think I know. Okay, I think that makes sense that I'm live. I just kind of wanted to see if I could, like, do some kind of funny, um, particle thing. I don't even know what particle it's trying to spawn. That's funny. What particle? Flame. Okay, it's trying to spawn flame. That makes sense. Um, wait, what mic is speaking? Uh, oh wow, I have the siren muted. Oh, ah, I can't tell which mic is which. So, um, the Kraken is supposed to be the headset, and the siren is the other mic. Fuck. I need an audio test here. I feel like I should be doing audio tests and stuff before I stream or whatever or record, because um, huh. Let me just. I mean, hmm. Testing. I can't tell which mic is which, so the Kraken is supposed to be the headset, and the siren is the other mic. I can't tell if I just turned up the volume with the Razer Siren. I need an audio test here. I feel like I should be doing audio tests and stuff before I stream or whatever or record, because someone mentioned that my recording, which we call it, is quiet. So yeah, that is quiet. And then there's a lot of buffering because I'm like, okay, yeah, that's louder. Cool. There's just gonna be a lot of buffering I can't really fix because my setup is downstairs and in what's the call it? Um, you know what? I'm so silly. I'll just test what exactly. Um. Okay, so funny. I actually have that whole fucking Frieza. I need this thing. Okay. I'll have to make a whatchamacallit. I don't have a disc. Eventually, I will be making more of these thingies. I'll be making more of those whenever I get around to it. Maybe one day. Destructo disc. Mayhaps. Oops. Why did he just die immediately? Oops. Let me go 0%. Let me go like 1%. I pushed the. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, okay. Fuck. How are you dying? How are you is kill? Okay, whatever. Shit. Understandable. So we have all the fucking we have all the particles here, right? So oh. Also he he. So what turns out I could have just um did yeah, the aura thing is a bit of a thing. Uh yeah, so I had to just look yeah, there's eye particle and both of them. Ooh. Let me find it. I'm no longer like asking him to make the thing for me. I'm just like he's quote unquote pointing me in the right direction and I'm like slowly learning about it, which is good because honestly, is it? It's probably in the API. In the index. Thank you, Cam, for just giving us this entirely, so we don't have to search for it somewhere online. Awesome. I'm looking for the. Did he say? I can't remember what he was talking about. iParticle. I just see player profile. Damn it. Well, this is just all packages, so I could just look for particle. No. Ah, I see the iParticle. There it is. Okay, so this is the animation. This is, wow, this is the, whatchamacallit, the iParticle. You know, sometimes I'm considering maybe, paying for premium for ChatGPT in terms of, like, its memory and whatnot, if that makes sense. Because it is helpful if you know what you're doing to train ChatGPT. If that makes sense. Fuck. You know what I mean? I feel like I should only use it to just store APIs so it doesn't have to, like, fucking make up some bullshit functions that don't exist for 1.7.10. Um, yeah, sorry in advance for all the buffering. Can y'all please stop pinging everyone? Real. I feel like those should be disabled or something. I only ping for announcements in which like two people actually read. Joy. It's true. Like I mean, our community. I guess we're slowly building. It's cool. I feel like only two people actually watch the actually like look at the announcements tab and are like, actually informed of what we're doing. You know what I mean? Um, what was I saying? Right. So I forgot. Funny. Anyway, I'm gonna just see. Oh shit. Because I'm pretty sure the particle. I saw Vital make it. He used a part. He used this as the particle, and I'm like, I didn't know you could like use, non-existent particles that weren't a part of the 1.7.10 list. So I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool. Is there something on the arm? Oh. I figured it'd be something like this. I'm lazy. Because I'm just like, maybe I kind of want to try to make a more accurate Golden Frieza transformation. See, that does nothing. That does absolutely nothing because create particle, I guess, isn't a part of the API, even though, let's see. No, it isn't. No, wait, it should be because, I swear, I literally have a script for creating particles with Broly that, someone had put in the chat that I used to make some funny looking. Where is it? Is it the? No, it's not. No, it's actually Here it is. Yeah, it's API create particle. That's what it should be doing. It's API create particle, because I guess that's how I do it here. You get the whatchamacallit var, etc., and then there it is. It should that should. I just kind of ruined that. Don't worry about it because it's not real. Why am I wasting time? Yo, hello, welcome to the live stream of the server, where I'm wasting time trying to make a fucking particle for absolutely no reason. Absolutely none. Hey, did that error? I can't tell. That's fine. Okay, it didn't error, but it's doing that, and I don't necessarily... Wait, why am I putting it on Frieza? I don't actually care about Frieza. I just needed to grab that for something. That's fine. Okay, so apparently the Dark Spell... What? Okay, so... Shit. So, I think what Vital did was got the actual, like... Whatchamacallit? The file path for the particle, which I probably need to do. It's not that bad. I just gotta open up this, open up folder, go to the mod itself. I'm pretty sure it's in custom NPCs. I have test in beta since I'm one of the helpers. You just open the thing, you go here, you look for the textures, particle. No, that's just smoke. It's just the item. Wow, I can't search for... Okay, nature spell. Fuck. I literally can't type D. That sucks. That's unfortunate. D. It's just dark. The word dark. D-I-A. Where is D? Okay, there. I think that's what he used as the file path. I'm pretty sure, if I had to guess. You know what? Just gonna... PNG, I think? Fuck. Didn't work. See, it doesn't... I'm assuming I have to do the file path, which let me grab another script because it has the overlays, which I no longer need them. They were a cool feature for like a couple months in the early season. Okay, so yeah, this is the custom. I think this is the file path I need for whatever it is I'm doing. Okay. And then it's... Did I go to item? Yeah, this is under items, I believe. Textures, items. Oh, there it is. Yay, we did it! That's not a circle, though. Oh. Ah. Ah. Huh. Oh, that's so funny. How do I change the size of the particle? Ah, there it is. Let's just make these... I don't know what any of these numbers do. I'm gonna be so dead ass. I mean, that's pretty cool. We could use it for something. Let me look at live chat. I don't know. Thank you. I was like, let me look at chat really quick to see if somebody actually said something in chat. This is, I guess, the first stream in a while that people have actually like talked in chat, and it was just me talking to myself for 5 hours, which is fun. I had the camera off at the moment because I don't really need it on. You know, is there a function that can change displaying custom form in PC with an EBC add-on? I want NPC to change its form when it reaches 50% on health upon damage, also kill with the aura. See, I did something like that, but the issue is it kept doing that exact thing when the NPC was in that HP threshold, and I did not, I didn't fix it, so it's pretty much the same. However, I did tweak it a bit. So it wasn't as bad as it was before, but it's still there. You know, it's a learning journey, a learning curve from what I first added to the server to what we have now. So, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so let me just pull Discord over for a sec. This is what this person asked. Function that makes NPC, I guess, change into a form when an NPC has had a certain health, you know, threshold. So me 23. I'm not gonna do this quest. I'm just gonna show you what I mean. Okay, so you punch him, and he does that. This is that health threshold I was talking about. The only issue is after he does that, he continues to do it every time he gets damaged. So it's a bit of a pain. I'm not gonna fix it. Well, I might fix it one day, but I don't need to unless it becomes an issue. Unless people complain about it, it's kind of just... It's a feature, not a bug, you know? You know what I mean? I'd help, but the one I created is now a feature and not a bug. He does the transfer... I have yet to fix it, but I'm not worried about it. Right, so what I wanted to do was... I wanted to do this funny thing. I like it, it's fun. I should learn event scripts instead, because whenever this toggles to no, all of this gets weird. And, well, you know, I should probably learn event scripts instead of whatever it is we're doing now. Yay! Yeah, it does suck that I can't, I can't really do anything about the... this thing being as it is right now. I could just tape it to the wall or something, that'd be cool. But yeah, the highest point I have is, I guess, that or whatever, but it's a pain, really. My PC can never get, like... I'm down to 2 bars! That is insane! I've never seen it go that low before. So, I'd help, but like... It's now a feature and not a bug. So, uh, cool, cool. Right. So I was gonna make this spawn a circle. Actually, so wait. So let me just open up the YouTubes just to show you what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna just say I have not watched Daima. I probably won't watch Daima. I'm just watching anime right now is just not really a concern for me because I'm more of scripting. Uh that's literally my main focus right now is just scripting. So like that, I kind of want to like do that a bit with his transformation with the color. So yeah, I don't know what kind of particle I could use that'll like kind of maybe fire. Maybe fire might do it because it has a GIF. Um, where's that one mod? It was like iPlugin or something. Pro Wolf was telling me about it, but he never really told me where I could find it or give me the jar, so I don't actually know. Um, yeah. Uh, this is the file path, so. Because if I do items, what about fire? I mean, they don't actually. The thingies don't actually move. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that doesn't work. That's funny. They don't actually work if I do that, even though they are a animated thing. Is it? Oh, where's the item? Nature spell. png.mc meta. Okay, what if I try that? png.mc meta? No, that doesn't work. Oh. That uh is there like something else I have to do with the code to do it? Um well, until he pings me back, I guess I'll just wait and work on something else. This will be a sphere. You know, that is fucking awful. No, actually, that is not awful. That's actually, I think, what I needed exactly. Um, yeah, I think that might be what I kind of need for it. Oh, half of it works. Oh, there it is. I mean, cause you could kind of use that. Yeah, particle count. How about 150? Let's just. Oh yeah, that could be it. And then the motion, slide upward, fade effect. How do you make the particle go for longer? Funny. Let me, yeah, W stream if you don't mind all the buffering. Oh. I think that's fair TP, maybe. Okay, now what if... It still looks a little wonky, but... Maybe 5? Okay, it looks a little wonky, but... Hear me out, chat. Trust the process. Just gonna make a third tab, and let's just see how it looks. It looks fucking awful. That looks fucking awful. Looks... Oh no. Cause where was the... Yeah, I was trying to do that, but it's like... Maybe it plays for a second and then it like kind of disperses, I guess. Maybe. Let me go back to the thing. Maybe, and then I'll just... See that option where the desync where it just turns the script off? I hate that. And then that's the scale. Why is there another fucking thing? Makes particles longer? What do you mean? Oh, the age? How about let's do like 9, like 80. I mean... Oh. See, I hate that shit where it just turns the script off. Like, why? It's just, fuck it. Lightning, I guess? Maybe? I'm just rolling off. Oh, okay, wow, it's just, okay, cool. That's cool, I guess. This hurts my eyes. This is terrible. Yeah, that's... Yeah, where can I find it? The plugin mod. The plugin mod. Is this by Cam? Oh, it is by Cam. Okay, cool. How do I download it? Hey chat, we're adding the plugin mod pretty soon. Latest release. He hasn't updated that in like a while. That's totally fine. We'll get the plugin mod soon. That's a bunch of stuff. I'm thinking of just making that, I don't know how to do eye timers. Well, I do, but not with, like, items, because the last time I did it, it somehow bugs the cooldown where it just says -4 million seconds. So I just said, fuck it. Yeah, so that's the thing with the... That's particles, I guess. A little quick lesson. Cool. So I'll like add it to the server and sometime soon. Yeah, so apparently I can just have an NPC play multiple tabs. Because I think that's just kind of how I'm going to do it, I guess, in a way. See, why didn't it overwrite it didn't overwrite, it didn't prompt me to overwrite the existing, that, which is weird. Oh, I don't like it. It looks kind of blue. And then, you know, I feel like at the end of it, it should play smoke. Like but how many ticks am I using? That's the thing. So, 125. Okay. I'll have to change the fucking timer because apparently you can't have the same timer running on a different thing. So, which is fun. Don't use that function. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work at all. Use this. Well, instead of wait, what did he say? Dude, I'm not trying 1 hour to get one keep. Real. This needs. I don't know if I should help with that. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then. Oh my god, it's creating a third particle. Well, fuck it. Let's just see what happens. Okay, it creates the two particles. I need the third one to just... Oh. That little ass particle? Ah, that's funny. I mean, you could. But I think I have to go... Sure, why not? Oh, let me relog. It's like a client-based thing. Here's apps. Here's a single one. Here is one. Also. Boop. I like the little single particle right there. It's funny. Oh. Lol. Eventually, nah, nothing like. Fuck it. Let me find this. I'll give him one because it's fair because I gave the other two players, one too. Scripted item. But you know what? I'm gonna change the. I'm changing the fucking texture because the one I have currently is kind of stupid, like really stupid. So you get a better one, a better looking one, I should say, because it's just it's the same kind of item. It just looks different. Like it will appear differently. Is what I'm saying. Yeah. Iron sword doesn't really know. Oh my fucking god. I wanted to do a texture, but it's like, what the fuck are these textures? Tinker.com has some funny textures that other people have made. Um, some look pretty good, and then some are just like, what are you doing? Why did you make this? Instead, I will change the texture, and I'm gonna change the level of the sword. So, where's the level of the sword? I think it's level. I'm gonna make it 50. Yep. I think it's 14 or something. Oh wait, no, that's you put max level there. And then I'm getting rid of the strength of thing because it. I'm pretty sure that causes a lot of issues. Why is it twice? And then it had like another thing, 3,000, and that'll be fine. Where'd you go? What? Hello? Oh, oops! I didn't set the thing. Where's the item? That should be the texture. I'm not seeing the texture. What the fuck? That should be the texture. Why didn't it, hello? What? That's the lore. Uh-oh, where's the line for the texture? This is finish item, and then this is the... That's the lore, and then where's the... Yeah, this is the texture, but it's like... Oh, right. I have to do this. That's why I didn't show you the texture. Oh, that's funny. There. Oh. God. Oh. Damn it. It doesn't help that I'm streaming. Yep, enjoy. I think it goes to level 15. I don't know. I didn't test it. You can test it. I'm just doing something funny with particles that for some reason might take me all day for absolutely no reason at all. The third particle, it's creating a particle. What if I find a particle? Because I don't want to, like, create. I want to... It's 2022. I literally typed 1.7.10, and you're giving me shit from 1.19 or 16. Fuck off. Like, where are they located? Yes, I know the particle command, but I'm just like, can I just use, explode? I think it's large explode, because the one I'm looking for is, yeah, this isn't, why are there so many goddamn ads? Huge explosion? No, it's not that. It's, you know, I bet I have the particle thingy in my, no, I don't. Lava part. It's explode. Wait, no, no, I don't have it in my thing. I have it in my, uh, fucking. I have it in, Notepad++. Where's the explosion? Yeah, huge explosion. I just want to use that one. I mean, since there's no like particle that spawns light other than the one you can just make, but it'll be hella like. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Uh, huh. Because I see it does the create particle texture, particle texture. Okay, maybe let's try that. Because if not, I can just like doing a huge explosion kind of thing. I could just make it a particle thing where it just kind of overlaps the NPC. Nothing happened. Cool. So yeah, okay, that doesn't do anything, which is totally fine. I'm thinking I can just adapt it using a different method. Um, this motherfucker just sends me reels and does not respond to any of my messages when I say something. And I just got recommended my own video again for the 9th fucking time. Thank you, YouTube, for recommending me my own videos. That's awesome. Today's goal is to get some story missions out. Oh man, fucking Universe 6 and 7 tournament is gonna be a fucking nightmare. Then again, I could probably just use Kaba like the same way. Like, fuck doing the whole base form, just have the NPC just transform and just fight it. Fuck all that. Spawning it, fighting it in base form, and then, you know, it transforming. Just fuck all that. Just go straight into the form. Does not matter. Same with Frost. Maybe. How about you fight Frost in base form, and then he spawns in the third, but then goes to final. That could be an idea. Hit, there's, fuck it. I'll just have Hit just do the whole progression thing and then just be faster. But that's like a bunch of work. I get, you know, making experience for the players, making it more immersive. But god damn, sometimes I don't want to put in all that work. Okay, it just kind of. Why did it? Oh wow, it completely ruined my particle. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, why is it only spawning one? And I'm thinking, to get it to spawn an item, I would just simply use the file path for the item, but I don't know the file path. So, hypothetically, I could just have it funny, I could just make it funny spawn fire. But it won't be, it'll just be like a PNG, which kind of sucks. But, I'm sure it'll be fine. Coding, someone make a flag for it and check on the damage function. Same with Slug. It just kind of I just like, you know what? It's a feature, not a bug. Maybe one day I'll fix it, but until then, I don't really care. Ticket number 6, we got another stat. Oh, okay. What kind of experience do you have? Affinity, Quester, co-owner of Alpha. Okay. Scripting is... Scripting isn't really necessarily like a thing. I feel like it might be up to... I feel like it might be like my job for testing people who like want to be questers. Like, I'll just give you guys like a simple test. Just make a simple quest. Like I guess do it in single player. Like record, like make a video of it or something, or make the quest and then send the file to like me, so I could probably like, you know, test it myself to see if it works, to see like the usability and function of it. Because questers, I feel like it would be probably good for us to have more of. I feel like when we do, if we ever get any more, I'll probably have to show you guys how to use what we have, because making an NPC from scratch and then adding all the scripting, all the scaling and stuff is a pain in the cheeks. It takes forever. So you could just, you know, load up any of these NPCs that are preset and then just simply change, this. Oh, right, I forgot. There's it's a little complicated because I had to add another check, because ever since what happened last time on Dragon Block Super, whatever old server I used to work for, someone had a kill aura exploit, and they were just abusing a bug that was in one of the quests. So we had to write a check, so they couldn't just do the quest, kill the NPC, and it not turn in, so they could just, you know, keep repeating that. So now it does the quest, you kill the NPC, and it counts as it being checked, and you can't get TP after that. Yeah, I'm thinking someone changed the scaling for fucking Beerus, because it wasn't me. This is at what? This was at 9 early. Okay, maybe it was lagging. Maybe there's something else. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, let me show you what I had. Mind you, this is on 2 NPCs, and it's kind of a bit of a pain. I'm just like, quote unquote, playing around a bit with the particle function, talking in Discord, you know, just doing random stuff right now. Not really like focus, but it's totally fine. Just taking a look at your application. Since I'm more like active in the staff team, I'm more like around, kind of see stuff, help out if need be. And I'm like, I feel like for the staff thing, I feel like people who apply for staff, I feel like it would have to be like a meeting or whatnot for us to decide if we want to add them on the team or not. But the problem with setting up meetings is not everyone's fucking available at any time we need to have a meeting. Not everyone. And it's a little unfortunate and unpredicted. I mean, you know, I get life happens, but like, I asked, I was like, yo, do you guys want to have like a meeting before the end of the month or something, just, you know, to discuss plans and stuff? Yeah, only Igor has responded. I don't know about the other two. And mind you, I'm available whenever we need something, like, whatchamacallit. Like I set aside time for this, even though I work pretty much full time, but I'm off today, so it's cool. Oh, I also just realized I put the thing in. This is 4 different biomes right here. It's crazy. That's pretty cool. Yeah. 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. I guess we'll close this one. Take it will be deleted. Okay, yeah. Huh.
Hello.
Hello. They didn't use the ticket system properly. Oh wait, maybe no, they actually didn't use the ticket system properly because okay, wait.
Face scan.
Yeah, no, they didn't use the ticket system properly. That's funny. Because there's an option. Oh wait, no, they did. I think they did. There's just no option to close it or whatever. Damage on event source returns an ending not a player account. What the fuck? I don't know. I made the script back in September, so it's a little funny. It's a little funny. Don't worry about it. Let's see. You know, the other day we had 6 players on, which is wow. That's actually impressive for our server. And respectfully, that's the most people we've had on compared to the old server I used to work for. The most we had on at one point was 5. Here we've had 6. Maybe one day we'll get 7 in total. Oh, you could just close the button. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'd like to get back to all these people who actually put in an application for the server. And it's like, God, that person's so fucking annoying. Anyway, I don't know what I was doing. I can't even focus on a single thing. Let's see. This is just the NPC I'm using for the whole desync option. It's so fucking stupid. Okay, we have this thing. It kind of works exactly how the Frieza thing did in the animation, and then the second one. Where's the third one? Huh. Nothing happened. You know what? Just gonna change this. Yep, just gonna change this because I know that doesn't fucking work. Thank you, World Spawn Particle. And I'm gonna try using... It'd be funny to use one of these items. Spell. I'll use light, I guess? Holy? Because basically I'm gonna make like a... I wanna make a sphere with it. And that's how you just kind of use the file paths. Because this is the, oh. Wow. But instead it just makes a line going up. Maybe have like... music in the background so I can like kind of... Because I did just drink coffee a bit ago. So it's just like, whatever, I guess. No, these are. I tried to speedrun Minecraft Dragon Block C any percent. I feel like I should do that again. That'd be fun. Yeah, I feel like that would be funny. But in terms of me focused on that, I'm not really focused at all. If you could. Yeah, if you could see um my level of focus right now, it's gone out the window. So maybe I'll just put on some music to see. Motherfucker, it's not. It spawned in the third particle. I think it completely got rid of the timer that I had. Oh no, it's still there. It is still there. So, whatever. I'll just take this and put this down here. I want more coffee.
Hey, Poofy.
Up. Sphere.
Is the Super Saiyan Blue quest active? Like, is it allowed to be done?
I think so. I did finish it for testing, so go ahead and test it. Test it and tell me what you're thinking. Tell me if there's any bugs you encounter. If you just throw it out there. That shit took me 6 days to make. The entire thing. 6 days. Put that in perspective.
Alright, Sparring Blue.
Yes.
So these Goku God Training 2 ones?
Yes. Yippee,
Alright,
it didn't work.
Let me get Kaioken times 20.
Oh man, this didn't.
I'm definitely gonna need that if I'm going to be able to even do any damage to these, because I am not as strong as I thought.
Oh wow, that was. Oh man, wow, oops. I thought that was the whole fucking script, but it wasn't. So, I have to just overwrite the timer event. Yay!
What timer event?
This thing on the script that I'm working on. It's just mostly a particle thing, so it's nothing too big. They're all wonky. I can't do what Vital did, but that's okay. Oh, whoops. Missed
Ooh, what's this? Oh, hey, I got God Key Essence.
Why does it spawn there? It's not supposed to spawn there. Ah, there it is.
Is God Key Essence the thing I need to get the second quest done?
It's the level. It's a different item, but yes. It
Okay.
looks purple, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the second one.
It's this weird, like, star thing.
Yeah, I was thinking of doing something with like having it like an item you can actually use to give your form like a mastery increase. But I never got around to doing that. So it's doable because it is a scripted item.
So if I do that quest multiple times, I'll be able to get blue.
Okay, so basically how blue works same way Super Saiyan God works. You got to do these same exact steps. However, the only thing that's different, you don't got to fight an NPC 3 fucking times. You get to choose who you want to fight. You just got to fight him once. I was going to make it so, well, actually, funny fact is, if you fight him and you're not in the right form, I basically set it to you gotta kill the NPC 99 times. But for some reason, I was like, wait a minute, that's stupid, because the player's gonna be in the right form anyway, so I was like, fucking, whatever.
What form would I have to be in?
Take a guess!
Super Saiyan God?
No, the Ritual Blue form.
Oh, well, there's the Ritual Blue form?
Yes, it works the same way as the Super Saiyan God. You get that form in completing a quest, but I forgot which one. So it's one out of the 3 quests you get that gives you the form.
It's the second one, I'm guessing, because that's the one that gave me the God one.
I wish me trying to add the plugin mod to my server wouldn't result in fatality, missing blocks and items.
Well, I did not get a second God key.
Oh no,
essence,
I'm not supposed to be recording.
Key power essence.
Yes.
So they drop both God key essence and key power essence?
Yes.
How much God key essence? Oh wait.
I actually forgot what you need. So
oh wait, actually they gave me both God key essence and key power essence.
Nice. So I have to go through Minecraft. I have to figure out the fucking
I'm gonna get the quest. How much do I need? Let me just check. I'll check with the quest.
Hello? Oh. Wait. I remember, I think, some... Wait, you were the... Wait, yeah, you were the one who pretty much tried rewriting the levels for a little while ago. Oh yeah, I remember now.
Okay, so I need 2 key power essence and 3 God key essence, I think. Right?
I would believe so.
Yeah, I just checked. That's what I need. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this quest one more time, and if I get another God Key Essence, then I'm done with that quest.
I never touched the wheelers.
So I'm probably going to have to train the Super Saiyan Blue ritual, aren't I?
Oh yeah, pretty much. I forgot to take that into account. You have to use that form to kill the NPC.
So I'm guessing I'm most likely going to have to train that.
More or less. I just realized that because I was like, huh. Cause see, the thing is, I used my item. I used my I guess admin item that does 552 trillion damage. Yeah, but I tested that it does work if it is killed, so it does work. I didn't test the difficulty on how it does do the thing, but you know what? It'll be fun. Minecraft items 1.
Actually, never mind. That's a
7.10. I don't need the items or ID. I just need to like find where they are. Minecraft items like file path. Cause I gotta figure out where they are. Okay, update of Minecraft assets. Okay.
Quick question. Can the original Goku and Vegeta training drop God Key Essence, or no?
They both... No, the originals, I don't think they drop level 2. Just the first one.
Oh, well, I'm probably gonna keep fighting these ones anyways, so I can get some of their armor.
It's the same armor.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm going to fight the easier ones.
Oh. I don't think the easier ones drop that. Let me check.
No, they drop armor.
I'm in... Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Wait. Highest SSJ training here. Oops, that's not supposed to be in tab 2. Tab 2 is season 2 stuff. Remember when I said that I was gonna drop fucking season 2 stuff like mid-April or something? No, yeah, early April or mid-March I started. Technically, I did drop it mid-March, and I'm still currently working on it as we speak, but Godform was pretty much the main focus of season 2, and that's pretty much finished.
Done, so that's kind of insane.
It took 6 days. It is
I died.
The complexity and the like meticulous details that I went into making that are ridiculous, and I did not need to do any of that. but I thought I should because I'm like, you know, that'd be fun. That'd be kind of fun and cool to do so. So I did it anyway.
It would be fun. It probably not fun to make, but very fun to play.
Yeah, hell. It was fun to
What?
make. I'm not gonna lie. I had a lot of fun, even though I was tired a lot. But
Wait, why did you have fun making it? Wouldn't that be like really annoying to do?
no, I say it was fun because I'm like looking back at all the things that I've made over the years. This is the most like difficult. Why does it?
Complex?
Yeah, complex thing I've ever made. Because not only is it like a quest, it's a quest line, right? And a bunch of dialogue that I got fucking kind of. You could see that I kind of lost a little bit of interest and creativity as soon as it went on in the blue section. But the complexity is where it checks what form you're in and then transforms into that.
Who would want to make dialogue anyways?
I-
It's literally dialogue.
I offered.
No one wants to read it. Who would want to make it?
I'd offered the staff if they wanted to like add their input on their own like NPC, and then after that, for some reason, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take Tigor's idea he mentioned months before, and I'm gonna do that. So then it took me like 2 days to figure out how to reverse engineer Francis's scaling script to fucking do that. The only issue is I haven't been able to like scale it dynamically like how the config is on the other NPCs. I couldn't figure that part out, so I was like, fuck it.
How much stronger is the ritual than the?
Basically, they're pretty much almost a 1-to-1 ratio of the original forms, just slightly weaker. And I mean like by like a 0.00 value, and not a
so
0
there's
O
something
value.
Up with my god form, either that or it's just really OP.
What is your multiplier?
Well, it's 2 million, but I have Kaioken on.
Oh, that's just regular god.
No, I'm talking about regular god.
No, your player data is just bugged. That's all.
No, it's not the damage. Is it supposed to not drain at all?
That's just how god is. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, so it's just not supposed to drain like at all?
What, your health?
No, my energy.
Oh yeah, no, that's just how god is, because it's just like god. The drain on god is just different, I guess. How we set it up. I don't know. I don't remember
And by
how
the
we
way,
set it up.
NPCs don't scale off custom forms, right?
No, they do. Just the newer ones.
Oh.
I'm not gonna tell you which, but the newer ones, yeah. Only reason why we're not doing that is because not only would it take forever to do, I might have to write individual JavaScript files for each of the different levels of scaling because it's just using the global what I have in there, so it'll have a set scaling. But it does scale.
I knew how to code things, because if I did, I'd code like my own custom Cobblemon data packs.
Oh no, this is scripting. This is completely different from coding, I think. I don't know how to actually code, but
you still know how to actually do stuff. You still know how to do a lot more than me.
I've learned so much in the last like couple of months.
Aha! I got it.
Just being in like a part of game server, I've learned a lot in the last several months. All this stuff that I've learned, I would never have learned working for Popo, respectfully.
Isn't that guy that
Yep, that is that guy.
He's that guy that did something really wrong. Wait, what the? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I just have to figure out where the fuck the Minecraft assets reside so I can actually write the file path
Isn't Popo
for
that guy that tricked you into making a server?
pay to win. Something like, I wouldn't say tricked, but more like
Manipulated?
not really manipulated, just kind of more of the things that I made didn't really balance up to the game passes and store stuff that he had to offer, so it just ended up becoming pay to win. Because he did have a store of stuff you could already buy. He had it already set up years in advance.
And you were fine with that.
I didn't really think about it at the time. So it was just kind of like out of sight, out of mind. Sounds okay. So it's just Minecraft game player. Oh no, that's just Minecraft. Okay, so Minecraft.
I have enough power essence and stuff like that. What do I do after that?
Wait, you have both enough for level 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Oh, you just talked to Leaf, I'm pretty sure.
Complete with Whis. I talked to him and it doesn't do anything.
Oh, you gotta get the next quest. Objects,
Oh, I have to do the
maybe?
next quest.
Yeah, because I didn't have it so it auto sends you to the next quest. The asset director.
Go talk to my students. They will explain God Key. But he didn't give me the form.
Yeah, you did. Check your forms. It's not gonna tell you that it did, but it does.
It's not there.
And if not, I can definitely.
Wait. Oh, wait, no. How do I complete it? Oh, do I talk to this Whis?
Yeah,
Oh.
I might
guess I
have.
just-
I might have to write like, directions in the quest thingies so players don't, whatchamacallit. It's a lot of work.
Yep, I'm not allowed to transform.
Did you get the form?
Yeah, it's not letting me transform. Must transform from parent.
Yeah. Oh shit. So I definitely have to give the player the option to buy back their Super Saiyan. Oh, that's a bit of an oversight. Here, I'll just give you.
Oh, you need ritual Super Saiyan God.
Yeah, you need ritual form.
To be able to...
Oh no.
I've fought in, so you remember that one guy?
Yeah. So,
I don't remember who I'm trying to talk about. You know the villainous form? The like, second form of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just not able to get that. Like, I've given up at this point. I do not want to have to fight him that many times. Plus, I'm already getting Super Saiyan Blue, so what's the point?
Yeah, I have to do some. I have to add a check to where the player could just buy the form because I've completely. This is a bit of an oversight. I completely forgot that it removes your ritual form if you get blues. So.
Or why don't you just make it so you don't have to be in ritual Super Saiyan God?
You specifically have to be in the form for the dialogues to show up, and for the NPC to transform.
No, I mean, why do you have to make it so ritual Super Saiyan God would have to, like, why would you have to be in ritual
the
Super
parents?
Saiyan God? Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
You could just, like, make that not have to be existent.
Because it's more like a child, like a form level up kind of thing. If that makes sense.
So, basically, if you want to look cool. Kinda.
Yeah. Okay, so in the future, I'm just gonna allow the player to buy it back, but I'm just gonna give it to you for free since you're right here, and it, yeah, so, just for now, cam form,
Isn't it just gonna delete it?
No, it will delete blue, though, but not red.
Wait, why would it delete blue?
It works the same way as God, that's how I set it up, but it gives you Super Saiyan Blue, and it, there's a trade-off.
By the way, can I refund my TP for, Superverse mode?
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make that a standalone form that is probably gonna be stronger in the near future. So if you want to keep it,
Oh yeah.
And wait,
I'll
so that-
keep that.
I just gave you ritual, but yeah, I think I might just make Spurs mode, whatever, standalone.
You gave me ritual, but I only have blue. Since I still had blue, it deleted the other one.
Oh my god, did I give you? Oh my, okay, whoops, that's stupid.
I think you gave me blue.
Yeah, no, I gave you blue instead of the regular one. My bad. My brain just defaulted to blue because I was working on blue for so long. There, now you should be able to do it.
Alright, ritual form, add.
Okay. You don't need to add it
So
to your.
now if I...
You don't need to add it to your form level. You could just go. You'll have to go from blue or from ritual to blue. So you have to go ritual first.
So if I go into ritual and then transform again, I'll be in blue.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, actually, ritual blue is actually almost as strong as my full power Super Saiyan God.
And that's kind of how I made it. It uses almost the same multipliers as what we have in the config.
Okay, so this aura looks like shit, but the outline looks crazy.
Well, are you using Super Saiyan God Aura overlay?
I was, but it got rid of it.
Oh, wait. What? The Super Saiyan God Aura?
No, transforming into Super Saiyan Blue Ritual got rid of the aura.
Oh, well, I'll just give you back your aura if you want.
No, I have the aura. It turned it off.
Oh, well, yeah. I don't fucking know.
I'm gonna start doing push-ups, because I don't feel like charging key all day and then waiting
Hey,
for this.
hear me out, hear me out. Do you have the resource pack for the vital resource pack that I added to the thing
When did you add that?
the other day? The reason why I say that is because of this item in my hand. It gives you gravity, pretty much 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000, which is a lot better.
I'm wearing 5,000 right now.
Yeah, but this can go up higher than that. Actually, this could probably double. It'll probably double it if you want, but you know, that's just a suggestion. Anyway.
I think I'll stick with this for now because I don't feel like downloading a new resource pack.
Understandable. Oh, right, I guess I can use that option. I just have to download the resource pack, and then if I want to make a second one, I'll have to pretty much edit the resource pack. Add new file. God damn,
It's a
that's...
resource pack that adds different...
No.
That adds actual stuff.
To use this item, you have to have the resource pack, because that's how Vital made it. It's kind of clever, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I just have to set this up really quickly.
So he just found a new way to market the resource pack, or basically, like, make it so someone doesn't have to...
Pretty much like that. But I mean, he's good at scripting. Have you seen the things he's done?
I can't teleport what you've done and what he's done, so no, not really.
Okay, what I've done, it makes what I've done look like basic stuff.
Wait, this entire form and all that is...
No, no. The only thing Vital's done for us is make this item I have in my hands. And...
No, I'm not saying that he did this. I'm saying if he tried making this, it would be, like...
A lot better. Yeah, pretty much. And
actually,
I didn't even make the animations.
Before I continue doing this, I'm gonna just go to town and grab some food so I can get my key back faster. Cause I don't really feel like having to hold down the C button the entire time.
Okay, so dialogue.
Well, I guess I'm gonna be sitting here for a while. Cause I'm probably gonna need a lot more key than this, or a lot more key control than this.
You know, you should buy key regeneration capsules. Those will help, or whatever regeneration capsules.
Yeah, I would, but also, I also need more TP anyways, so I'm gonna do this anyways.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, making the buyback menu. Okay, so ritual.
I wish it just wasn't a function that we'd have to entirely like have to have the entire old form just to be able to go to the new one.
Well, I kind of made it like that because I'm like, they won't have the new form to use to the thing. So I was like, the ritual is the placeholder form to do the thing. And then this one's kind of specific. You have to be in the form to do it. So, damn, I guess. I'm sorry.
My arms are sore.
Oh shit. We have another staff. Ooh, okay. You sent me a video. Let's see. Because I guess a question would be cool to have, I guess. Let me see how he sets his up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Using the new mod, restraining, okay. Why did he click any?
Hey, who's this Nebel thief guy? Does he have the blue ritual form right now?
I have no idea.
His key is blue, and it looks like he's in Super Saiyan 4.
Oh, that maybe.
Are you able to?
Maybe that's just
Are
his
you able
aura.
to change the color of your key while you're in Super Saiyan 4?
Nope.
So it's supposed to be yellow, right?
Yeah, it is not. I mean, he when he told me, he was already like level fucking 4,000. I was like, holy shit, already? Damn. Oh, let me see.
Well, I'm also level 4,000.
His key, he's only in Super Saiyan 4. The only reason why it looks blue, This. Are the hair colors the same? More or less.
Yeah.
See, I think this. I think I added a level of difficulty to the quest. Oh, you know what? That's basic. That's pretty much what making quests is. If you can make simple quests, then we can literally just I can teach you how the uh complexity part works, and then we have another quester. Hey, are you planning to update your map? Oh my god, I forgot about that thing. Lol. Uh, yeah, maybe not.
Does this ritual form have 50 levels or 100?
It's the same
What?
as Ritual Blue.
Yeah, what does ritual blue have? 50 or 100?
Custom forms usually have 100 by default, so 100.
Is this? I did not know this was custom.
Well, I mean, we
Oh
put
yeah,
in
it is
the
in the custom.
we put in the
That
work
does make-
to make it look custom. Yeah, the reason why you actually no, you can't really fucking tell. It still will be blue.
I'm pretty like dead right now. Like I'm going to die.
Ew, hold up. Why is my aura off? I gotta make a. Oh.
By the way, I tested my theory earlier. My theory failed.
What theory?
The thing where I asked you to cut off my tail.
Oh yeah. No, oh there
I
it
was
is.
trying to see. I was trying to see if my tail would grow back because my tail was cut off earlier and it grew back somehow, but I don't know how.
I mean, you could just simply talk to King Yema. I mean, you know who I'm talking about. You could just simply talk to him and just get your whatchamacallit back.
Yeah, but my tail grew back on its own, and I don't know how.
Oh. Ew, that looks disgusting.
I think I might have went into like some sort of healing water or something.
Oh yeah, possibly.
I'm not sure.
Oh right. Fuck. While you're right there.
Oh. Okay, what you want me to test the?
No.
thing?
I'm not gonna test. I'm not. You don't need to test anything. This thing, since I know you don't watch the videos, I can just show you straight up.
What? I can't see. Oh. You made a golden freezer quest?
Oh shit. Sorry. I forgot. He literally changes his faction after he finishes transforming.
I think that tried to kill me. So.
Yeah, he did. He tried to, but oh, you took no damage. Cool.
Yeah, he didn't even hit me.
No, he hit you with the key blast. I saw and heard it. He was like, "Ha, die." I'm gonna.
It only did like 1,000 damage.
He has someone else's whatchamacallit, so it doesn't really do much. So.
Are you just trying to show me what the NPC does?
No, I was just going to show you the thing that I was doing, since I know you don't look at the announcements or videos, and I know you probably have questions.
Most of the time I'm either asleep, training, watching YouTube, or I just genuinely have the thing muted because I don't feel like getting notifications every 5 minutes.
What the fuck was? Oh yeah, that's understandable.
I have most channels muted other than the RZSMP because, well, I need to have that open. Well, actually, no, I'm not an admin in that anymore because Powers decided to give Death access to get rid of someone's admin, even though Death is like never on.
The fucking amount of pings I get in that server a day is crazy. I'm like, what are you motherfuckers pinging me so much for?
There was one time I wasn't on for a whole day, and you know how many I had when I checked?
17.
Over 50.
Oh my god. Oh, right. I know what I was working on before. I was looking for the Minecraft fucking assets. So
And then, oh, actually, you know why I had over 50?
how so?
That was the day that Death decided to spam Uke like
Oh
7 times,
yeah,
like
I was here
700
for
times.
that. I was like, what the fuck? I bet he didn't
Oh yeah, I
respond
was
at
here for
all.
that too, but I honestly wasn't really paying attention to the channel. And then the next day when I checked, there were like 700 pings for Uke.
He spammed it so much that his Discord stopped working.
No, his Discord didn't stop working. Remy's Discord stopped working.
Damn.
By the way, all of yesterday I was training my TP by doing push-ups because I didn't feel like doing quests.
That is understandable. You can thank Somataro for that. It was his. He came up with the idea, and it's awesome. It's great.
And after like an entire, I'd say maybe 6 to 7 hours of doing that, I checked my TP and it was at like 9 mil.
Damn. God. Shit.
And then today I did like 5 quests and had about 6 mil. So I feel like that push-up session was basically a waste of time. Because I could have done 10 quests and had about 10 mil.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta pee. Oh. Oh shit. Unplug my headset. Oh well. Yeah, that's funny. Mine doesn't even have a fucking lock on it. It feels like so bad. I'm like, we're like, my thing
I'm back.
is, I don't know if you were here for the rant.
No, I
Or
was in the bathroom.
yeah, because I was like, I have it on the stream. I was talking about it on stream. Um, Ben?
Are you on Twitch?
No, I'm on YouTube.
Oh, I don't really watch YouTube streams because
We know.
okay, I watch YouTube, but I don't watch
No,
streams.
no disrespect taken. It's all good. I do not mind. I just need to figure out where the fuck the Minecraft assets are. Because it's not where I
I
think it
would
would
watch.
be.
By the way, I would watch streams, but I never know what time they're on, so I just give up.
That is true. I don't really like be streaming. I don't have a set stream schedule. I just stream whenever I want to.
I don't really
Uh,
feel like memorizing an entire schedule of streams.
Cause I see I'm in .minecraft. It says go to your .minecraft folder. Okay, I'm there, and I'm going to the assets folder, but there's nothing there. Wait, I think I
By the
have.
way,
Huh?
another reason I don't watch streams on YouTube or Twitch. Usually, when I'm trying to find Twitch or YouTube streams, I check Discord with my phone, which is a fatal mistake.
He was fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna just have to figure out where the fuck Minecraft. Uh, it's not there. I can assure you that it's not there. I just need to fucking find the file location for Minecraft
Oh, but
assets.
by the way, do you get that glitch with your Discord on your phone?
What glitch?
The one where Discord just like takes 5 hours to send a message
Oh,
or to
sometimes
get a
yeah,
message
but
sent.
that's usually based off like my roaming data or whatever. Oh,
So, my computer gets messages from other people after like 5 minutes, but on my phone it takes like 4 hours.
Oh shit, netherite. Fuck. Sword file path. I swear I've seen there's a website I had. Tell me I saved it somewhere. Please tell me I bookmarked it. Because that's how I got the file paths for items a while ago. Okay, there it is. Fuck yeah. Let's go, MC Assets. Yay. Because I couldn't
Hey,
fucking
you wanna
find it.
know? You wanna know one of my biggest what the fuck moments in my entire life?
Yeah, I'm listening.
So you know how me, Yuke, and Powers used to own a Palladium server?
I may or may not have believed that, yes.
Well, I on the first day, like maybe a few hours in, like 3 hours, I was like, if anyone has Netherite already, they're like already using commands. I look to my left, I see Yuke with speedster powers in a full set of Netherite armor running around.
Holy shit. I wonder if this will work.
Next thing I know, he rams into me full speed, full velocity speed with his speedster powers, and I get turned to fucking dust.
Because this is a transformation take. Hey, it works, but that's the wrong fucking item I don't need. Awesome. Alright, good.
Because,
This.
and
Yeah.
the reason I got turned to dust at that point, I only had like diamond armor, and I only had like 2 pieces.
I know. Yeah, it's called
I didn't have,
fire.
I didn't have armor yet, or I mean powers yet. So I basically just got turned to dust by anything that hit me.
Rip. I'm like,
And
where?
then,
Sorry.
and then I finally got my powers, which were breach powers, so I could go anywhere in the world I wanted to for five times basically, because I could set 5 waypoints anytime I want.
Yeah.
You know what happens?
He died.
Oh no, even if I did die, I'd keep the powers. But the thing is, I'm so I actually won at Yuke's game of running into me at full speed because he tried to do it again. I used concussion beam, which freezes any player in place for around 5 seconds.
Oh, man. I'm trying to fucking find the file path for fire, and I just can't find it.
And by the way, you may think that using a freeze power on a speedster is OP, but it's not.
Ooh.
You know
Oh,
why it's not OP?
oh, how come?
Because they're moving at 20 miles or 20 like Mach 20. So it's not even easy to hit them, and I have a limited blast percentage before I run out of power.
Ooh. I found it. Turns out fire is in the block tab. Thank God for this website because I couldn't figure out how to get my own goddamn textures.
Why would fire be in a block tab?
I don't know. I thought it'd be an item because fire. Did it work? Oh my God.
I thought fire was an entity.
That's a lot of fire. Oh, that's a chamber of fire.
I thought fire was an entity.
I guess not. That's a lot of
Oh
fire.
wait, actually, I do see a block outline whenever I'm punching fire, so...
Well, fuck. I think I'm gonna go with this funny outline. I don't need this third particle.
If fire's a block, then they had to go through. Then they would have had to go through so much fucking work to make water be able to turn it to dust.
Yes. I don't
Same
need
with obsidian.
2 and then 2, I guess. I don't need this third one.
It was probably really annoying for the Minecraft developers to make lava and water combined turn into obsidian, because that would probably take at least 3 months of development.
Oh no. Shit.
You know what I really like about this?
Yeah.
I'm just casually training in this area where any mob can attack me, and they're just chilling.
Ooh.
That creeper is staring me down, but is not going near me at all. Honestly, he's kind of tweaking. He's kind of tweaking out right now.
Real.
His head is twitching. I don't know why.
Oh, I don't need it to spawn a third particle because it's yeah. Like I don't need it to.
By the way,
Yeah.
I found the perfect way for me to train.
Using push-ups.
Or no, not train. I mean get money. I mean get money.
Oh no, that's a lot of particles. Yeah, I'm listening.
Fight Whis.
Oh yeah, you know I may or may not need to change the amount of fucking money you guys get.
Yeah, he gives quite a bit of money from that.
See, the
He
thing
gives, like,
is,
400 bucks.
like on default, I feel like you should give like maybe like 60 or something. But like when you get like the bonus TP, he'll give you like a bunch of TP of money. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like in hindsight, I thought it was gonna be a lot, but I did realize that that's too much money.
Maybe I've done a bit too many Whis quests.
Oh,
Because
okay,
I
I
just
did.
checked my money, and apparently I have $32,950.
Okay, I did change that. Well, hey, and before the economy changes, you know, you'll be rich. So, yeah. Okay, it was changed. I did change the number to like 50. It's just so it's
The
not OP.
economy, if the economy changed, then I'd have practically 1 cent.
No, no, no. I'm saying like the signs economy, like the stuff you can buy. If the prices on those change. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah, but what if they change for the worse? What if they go up?
Well, I mean, they should, mate. I don't know. I know I had to change one of them because apparently I was selling a diamond axe for like $30, even though you sell it for 600. So I was like, yeah, no, I can't do that. Oops, my bad. Um, anything
Why
that's
would someone
red,
sell? Why would some wait? Yeah, that wouldn't make any sense because
I didn't
a
realize the
diamond sells for
price.
500, but a diamond axe sells for 30 bucks.
No, no, you can buy it for 30 and sell it for 600. That's what they were talking about.
Oh, that's just stupid.
I didn't realize until he pointed out. Like, oops, my bad. I'll just use
What?
lightning, I
My
guess.
mistake.
Well, when when you work on a lot of stuff, you kind of forget.
Yeah, I know. Just like the admins of an old Fisk superhero server I used to play kind of forgot that the players could immediately just buy nether stars and also sell nether stars.
And I just need to know the fire particles because I feel that's like a lot.
So, you know how nether stars are like really hard to get in 1.7?
I believe so, yeah. Without buying them, yes, they're very hard to get, yeah.
Yeah, well, some players in the like the official Fisk superhero server just got a looting sword, and then spent like 3 days straight getting like stacks upon stacks of wither skeleton skulls, and then sold each nether star for $1 million.
Oh wow, that looks. Oh my god, that looks fucking awful. Oh shit,
All right,
that's crazy though. The $1 million thing.
yeah, and you know something even worse?
Oh what?
I've bought in 3 of them.
Oh my god. What if I just had
And
this to
you know
make
something
it?
even worse than that?
What so?
Right after I bought the third one, my game just didn't let me play that server ever again. I'm not allowed to because my game can't load that mod pack.
Damn.
So I'm never able to play that mod pack anymore, and I wasted $3 million on it.
Damn.
You know the even worse part?
Oh, it gets worse.
It was right after I got the strongest suit in the game.
Oh. Oh no.
And it was right before I learned how to use the strongest suit in the game.
Damn.
Because the strongest suit in the game can copy other suits' powers if you put the suits inside that suit. But they don't tell you which suits can go inside that suit.
Damn.
And I discovered 3 out of the 6 of them before my game never let me play ever again.
Damn. Couldn't you I feel like you could probably ask the whatchamacallits to get some things checked or whatchamacallit if it's that big
Oh
of an
no,
issue.
it's not them, it's me.
I would probably...
It's the fact it's
What?
my graphics driver, but I don't know what to download for a new graphics driver.
Okay, so I can help you with that. So what do you have a graphics card or an integrated graphics card?
I don't know.
Okay, wait, is your computer pre-built or is it a one?
Pre-built.
Okay, so do you know?
Actually, I could probably check my if it's integrated with Task Manager, right?
Oh, perhaps, yeah. I was like, unless you can like literally open the case of your computer to check.
So where would I check that?
My case got. Oh wait, never mind. So, if you open up your task manager, it'll have all of these options like the performance app history if you have more details open, right?
Yeah, I think my Task Manager is like tweaking out right now.
It does that. Yeah, if you have the more details option open, it'll tell you like, you know, all this other stuff with performance. It'll probably say GPU 0 or something if you have one in the car. But like if you can take your panel off your computer to look inside the computer to see if it has a graphics card, then you know you'll know.
I don't own a screwdriver, so I can't.
Oh, that is crazy. That's crazy work. Do you know where you got the computer?
No, I didn't get it. My mom got it for me from Christmas, and she's not home right now.
Does your computer have RGB?
Yes.
Okay, so let's just assume it has a graphics card.
Yeah, it definitely has a graphics card. I wouldn't be able to download graphics drivers if it
True.
didn't.
I mean, you probably could on an IPU. Do you know what type it is? Like brand, like NVIDIA or AMD?
I think it was originally NVIDIA, but I downloaded a Intel one.
Oh, that's probably why. So what you want to do is download GeForce Experience.
I will do that when I feel like it.
Well, then your drivers can kind of die over time. It pretty much the issues you might experience in the future will be caused of driver issues. NVIDIA GeForce Experience updates that and prevents those issues from happening. Just saying, if you ever need that, I would recommend downloading that.
Can you send me what that's called so I can check for later? Because I'm not gonna remember that right now.
Yeah, I'll just probably send you a link to NVIDIA. The lame thing about it is they fucking they changed the name of the stupid app. I'm just like, what the fuck? Is that the app? No, where's GeForce Experience? Is this Experience? GeForce Experience? Is this what it's called?
The thing that originally happened, by the way, I used to
okay, this is it.
I used to have a graphics driver that could run 1.7 perfectly fine without me having to update it or anything.
Yeah.
But then I got an entire PC which had to get an update. So
yeah, I just send you a link to download it so you don't forget whenever you do.
Because, originally I had a laptop which could run any graphics because it didn't need a graphics card in it, but it broke.
Oh my god. I remember those days. I think I might go with this animation. Even though it looks fucking wonky, I might just go with it.
I remember when I didn't have to update my entire graphics driver when I wanted to get a new one.
Like a new graphics card?
New graphics driver.
Oh, you always want to do that. It's something you learn, like, with tech. Something you learn over time. It's good to keep updated on drivers and stuff so you don't have visual issues and stuff like that.
When I originally started using a laptop, I didn't have to do that because
it was integrated, and they don't probably get default. They probably don't get updates for the drivers, so that's probably why.
No, they do get updates for their drivers, but those drivers update automatically.
Oh well, I mean, this one will tell you, hey, you know, there's a driver update available. You can download it. Uh, that's
Yeah,
not
but
what
I
I
can't
need.
update mine anymore because Intel is still there.
Oh no, it'll uninstall that by itself. It'll uninstall that automatically and install the ones you need.
Yeah, but the thing is, I accidentally, when downloading the Intel driver, I accidentally clicked delete all old drivers.
Yeah, it will literally give you new ones, regardless if you don't have any at all. That's the wonderful thing about computers and stuff. Um, True story though.
But the problem with the you know, the mod, the server that I was talking about. So I was able to play it like not even 10 days ago, but I'm not able to anymore for some reason.
Oh, your graphics might be out of date.
It says that my graphics isn't out of date, but I don't know what the new in-date Intel driver is.
Oh well. There's usually an
It doesn't-
application that kind of does it automatically, I think. Maybe. Maybe not.
The thing for that is, I kept mine updated specifically, and I never actually downgraded it, so it would be like, I never downgrade. So, when I used to like, use the mod pack for 1.7,
Mm-hmm.
I downgraded my graphics driver so I could run the graphics for it because the graphics had like that color issue that you see with 1.7.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
But then I found a mod that fixes it. Or wait, no.
Ninix
And
is?
I had to keep it downgraded. But after a while, I just said, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna update it, and I don't care if the color glitch comes back, because I'm just going to play different mods.
Understandable.
And eventually, I just got bored of the different mods. I wanted to go back to the old ones, but I couldn't.
Yeah.
And I really want to downgrade my driver again, because that messed with like so many of my files that it pretty much wasn't worth it.
Oh yeah, you'll probably have to get the downgrade version itself you'll pretty much have to get the file itself for the downgrade to keep somewhere in case you want to go back. Which you'll have to probably scour the internet.
No. Now I have a mod that makes it so the color glitch will not happen.
Oh, well then never mind.
But another problem with the mod makes it so my graphics are slightly bugged. So whenever I'm like slightly in a suit that makes me a slightly bigger size, every block looks like it's the same size as me.
Real.
So if I go like into a tiny atom size, it looks like every block is a tiny atom, and it makes it so I can't even know where the door to my house is, so I have to go back to normal size.